How to fix loading problem in WhatsApp. First things first, let's make sure the app isn't just glitched from an old version. Open up your Play Store right here on your home screen. Hit the search icon at the bottom, tap that search bar up top, and type in WhatsApp. Go ahead and click on WhatsApp Messenger. Now, look right here. If this button says Update instead of Open, tap it right now. A lot of times, a quick update fixes the bug instantly. If it's already updated and still acting up, here is the secret weapon. Go back to your home screen, find your WhatsApp icon, and give it a long press. See that little menu pop up? Tap on App Info. From here, just look for the button that says Force Stop and tap it. It's going to ask you to confirm, so just hit Force Stop one more time. This completely resets the app's memory without deleting any of your chats. And that's literally it. Open your WhatsApp now, and it should load right up. If this helped you out, drop a like so your friends can find this fix too. Catch you in the next one.